You got paid 2 days ago. So why does your bank account already feel empty? It's not bad luck. Your brain is running a glitch, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. There's a name for this. Psychologists call it the payday effect. When money hits your account, your brain treats it as a signal that says, you are now rich, spend accordingly, even if nothing about your actual situation changed. Here's the strange part. Studies on spending show people don't just spend more after payday, they spend more on things they wouldn't normally even want. The fresh balance literally rewires what feels affordable. Why? Because your brain doesn't see money as one big pool. It sorts it into mental buckets. A $3,000 paycheck doesn't feel like a number you have to make last 30 days. It feels like abundance today. So the coffee, the upgrade, the treat yourself, each one feels small against that big fresh number. But here's how you flip it. The people who don't fall for the payday effect do one quiet thing. They make the money disappear before their brain can label it as spendable. Automatic transfer to savings the same day you're paid. Out of sight, out of the bucket. It works because you're not fighting your willpower. You're removing the temptation before it starts. Your brain can't spend a number it never sees. So the next time payday hits and you feel rich for 48 hours, that's not freedom. That's the glitch. And the people who get ahead aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who never let their brain see the whole number. Want to know the next money glitch your brain is running? That's the next video.